What's good, my G's? We're learning about how to find the shortest distance between a point and a line. Okay, so some ground rules. Distance is going to be referred as d. And we're trying to find the shortest distance between a line and a point, which means that it has to be a perpendicular line, because that's the shortest distance you can get to any place. Let's start. We have our equation, y equal to negative 1/3 x plus 2, and our point as negative 2, negative 4. So, let's do the first step. So step 1, find the slope of the line that you have. We denote that as m1, right? So our m1 is negative 1/3. Now, next, we have to find the opposite reciprocal of negative 1/3. Because if you recall, to find the exact perpendicular to a already given line slope is to find the opposite reciprocal. We'll denote this new slope as m2, and the opposite of negative 1/3 is just 1/3, and the reciprocal is 3. So, by this we have found that the slope of the line that allows this point on it is 3. Then let's use slope-intercept form, which is point slope, which would be y minus y1 equal to m2 technically, and then x minus x1. That's how my x's. I'm sorry. Let me just make them like that. So let's input our values. We would get y minus 4, which is y plus 4, equal to 3x minus 2. So just write plus 2 here. So we would simplify this and we would get y is equal to 3x plus 2. So this line and this line, if you were to graph them, would be perpendicular to each other. Next, we should find the point that lies on both the lines when they intersect, because that's the point that would be the closest to the originating point, negative 2, negative 4. To find that, we would use system of equations. For system of equations, we know that one of our lines is y equal to minus 1/3 x plus 2, and y equal to 3x plus 2. So we can just put y is equal to y to find what's common in them. So we can write minus 1/3 x plus 2 is equal to 3x plus 2. Now we would multiply all of this by 3. So you get minus 1x plus 6 is equal to 9x plus 6. Then you would just solve this like usual. So you get negative 10x here equal to 0, which is is equal to 0. Now input 0 in any of those two equations and you should get y is equal to positive 2. Because if you put 0 for anything and multiply, it just dies. Just put it like that. So our slope-intercept in both, our y-intercept is 2, so you get 2 here. So we have our new point, which is 0, 2. We have to find the distance between this point and our starting point, minus 2, minus 4. So let's say this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2, and then let's put it into our distance formula equation. Our distance formula equation is the whole root of x1 minus x2, the whole squared, plus y1 minus y2, the whole squared. And this is all under the same under root. Now we would, substitute. So our x1 we said was minus 2, minus 0, the whole squared, plus minus 4, minus 2, the whole squared. So we would get 4 plus 36, because this is just negative 6. Negative 6 squared is 36, and this is negative 2. Negative 2 squared is 4. So 4 plus 36 gives you 40, the whole squared. 40 is not simplified, so we would find the factors of 40. So 2, 20, 2, 10, 2, 5, 5, 1. So we would take these two out. One of them would disappear because of the jailer. These would get multiplied. So the shortest distance, or the d value, or also the answer, would be 2 under root 10 units apart. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the notification bell. Be a Sigma.